Hey guys, I'm glad you're here with me today. You and I are at Banner Recreation and Marine, and we're checking out this 2023 CFMOTO CForce 600 Touring. It's a nice little unit. You might want to stick around. So this guy is going to have a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-valve, 4-stroke engine. It's going to have 580cc displacement. It's got a 91 by 89 millimeter bore and stroke, 10.7 to 1 compression. Of course, it is fuel injected. It is liquid-cooled. I think I just said that. Electric start, and of course, your typical 30 amp charging system. So the ground clearance on this guy is going to be 270 millimeters or 10.6 inches. That isn't bad. You're going to have an 18 liter or a 4.76 gallon fuel capacity. Your net weight is going to be 415 kilograms or 915 pounds. Your rack capacity, so the front one is going to have a 20 kilogram or 44 pound capacity. And the rear is going to have a 40 kilogram and 88 capacity. Still a bit on the light side, but hey, it's racks and you can put them to work. So for the transmission, it's going to be a typical CVT Tech IBC clutch system like all the other CFMOTOs have. And you'll have your typical low, high, neutral, reverse, and park. You're going to have a locking system for your gear shift like an anti-theft, like most CFMOTOs do. And your typical powertrain is going to be your two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive with an electric locking front diff. So as you probably know about CFMOTO now, they always add a little couple of tidbits in there for you, a little extra that the bigger guys wouldn't do. So it'll come with these aluminum wheels. They're basically a 12-inch wheel, a 12 by 6 in the front and a 12 by 7.5 in the rear. And it will have these AT 25 by 8 by 12s in the front, 25 by 10 by 12s in the rear. Although these tires look similar to a Bighorn, although this tread pattern does look a little similar to like a Bighorn from Max's, it's not. It's definitely a Chinese made. So definitely recommend upgrading tires and stuff to the typical 6-ply radial. You'd be very happy that you did, trust me. So it will have your typical hydraulic disc brakes all around. So the CFMOTO will come with a 5-year limited warranty, which is a heck of a lot longer than the majority of the bigger name brands. So that's always a bonus. And now that they're actually in reputable dealers, you're more likely to be able to have that warranty looked after, which is a good thing. So they have definitely changed the styling of these machines since I first started doing reviews on them. I'm not sure if I like it, but it's not necessarily horrible either. There's definitely more ugly ones out there for sure. So you will have a winch that comes complete with this as well. It's going to have some built-in hand guards, built-in mirrors. Or not necessarily built-in, but they do come with it, I should say. Okay. It's going to have some halogen lights, so probably want to change those if you do any major night riding. You can go back to one of my videos there where I've just recently changed the headlights on my Grizzly, and it made a world of difference. And usually a lot cheaper to do that than trying to buy an LED light bar and wiring it up and that kind of stuff, although I have one of them too. It's your typical CFMOTO switches. So you're going to have your typical CFMOTO switches. You're going to have your headlights. This is your kill switch. This is your signal lights. This is your horn. This is a mode switch. I guess maybe there's different mapping on here. And your hazards. That's the other cool thing about CFMOTOs. They all come with signal lights and hazards and a horn. Okay, let's reach for the key here. Oh wow, sweet looking display. Right on. Yeah, it's got a nice finish there as well. Fuel tank is on top on this one. So it's fully automatic. And you got 2 power ports here. Sweet. Fully enclosed footwells, and you got a raised section there, which is great. Built-in handles for the back seat. Got the plastic racks, but hey, it still works. You can still make use of them. And it looks like they have a trunk back here. Yes, they do. And that actually was a good solid seal, it felt like. Right on. It's nice to see CFMOTO upping their game. 2-inch receiver with the insert, which is cool. Gonna have some great lights on the back. And I see a pocket up front here. Oh, right on. And there's your wiring harness for your trailer. Yeah, CFMOTOs will come with that too. Well guys, that about sums up yet another one for Canadian Cars Review. Once again, so appreciate you guys all being here. Please remember to hit the like and the subscribe button before you go. It really helps the channel out big time. And come on down to Banner Recreation and Marine in Vernon, BC, Canada here, and come and check out their showroom. Tons of different parts and accessories, and of course units. They're awesome guys to deal with. You won't be disappointed that you came. And right now there's actually a $600 rebate off on this machine, so if you're looking for one, this may be the right time. With that, I'm out of here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.